Hello Crafty Friends, thank you so much for stopping by. Now today I'm going to be doing the unboxing for the LFL Lizi March 2018 card kit. It just came in the mail, so I get to share it with you. This kit will come in a 12 by 12 box, and let's take a look at the contents. You get two baggies in here and a thank you note, which is always nice. You get a 12 by 12 bag, and then you have a little goodie bag. So we're going to take a look at this first bag here. I wanted to show you the color palette in the kit. This kit's going to be so much fun. I was so excited and when I saw Lizi doing the unboxing. Okay, so this is our cardstock. Now, this is actually 8.5 by 11, and it's super smooth cardstock. Great for your alcohol markers or your stamping. Perfect for that. Or you could just make it a card base. It's pretty heavy duty. But you get a piece of that. You get a piece of the chocolate brown, you get a real pretty green, and then you get some black, and then you get a real pretty pink. So that's your color palette for the kit. Okay, now Lizi's kit this month comes with 8 4¼ by 5½ inch specialty cardstocks. This is a real pretty matte gold. It's real soft gold. The back side is white, but you get a sheet of that. This is a bronze color. This one actually has a gold and almost like a forest green color, pearlescent shimmer paper. But you can see that the panels here are 4¼ by 5½. So they will work perfectly on a standard A2 size card base. This cardstock here has embossed lines on it, real pretty. And then the camera's not picking this one up, but it has a really faint chevron embossing on that white cardstock there. You get some pearlescent pink, a real pretty pearlescent soft gold, and then this one is double-sided, and it has like a water, how do you say that, a watermark almost on that, with pink, real pretty. So you get 8 of those. Now we're going to take a look at the 6x6 paper pad. You get 12 6x6 sheets. And these are a lot of fun coordinated colors, beautiful floral images. Those ones are little candy jars, which are really fun. Those are little candies, a real floral pattern, real pretty. So that's your you get 12 sheets of your 6x6 papers. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the 12 by 12 cutout sheets. These are going to be really fun. This one actually has 8 cutouts. A lot of fun images. A few of them have sentiments on there. I think that they would work great for cards. And the back side has beautiful patterns on it also. So that's our first one. This one actually has 9 cutouts. A few of them have sentiments, which would be great to incorporate in your cards. And then the back side of this has some real pretty striped pattern paper, and then this is our third 12 by 12 pattern paper. These are really fun. I am looking forward to using these. These are so pretty. And then on the back side of here is a two-tone, real pretty brown floral pattern. Now in this month's kit you also get a 12 by 12 sheet of vellum. This vellum has copper accents, real pretty copper accents, and there's 9 tiles on here that you can cut out and be great for cards. So you get all of those. We're going to scoot this down a little bit. Okay, now this month's kit is special. This is a stamp set designed by Laura. She is from Crafty Not Shifty. She actually made this for Lizi. I thought this was so fun. I love the images in the stamp set. Love the sentiments. It is a sweet themed stamp set, and I'm sorry about the glare, but you get cupcakes and little cakes and cookies and ice cream, even pancakes. I just love the stamp set. This is going to be so fun to color in. So that's your 4x6 stamp set. Now you get also some chocolate brown LFL Lizi exclusive peel-offs there. And then you also get some stickers. These are alphabet stickers, and these are real pretty. They're a gold tone, And let's just open this up and take a look. There's plenty of letters to create sentiments or customize, and they are cardstock stickers, which are really nice. So you get those there. And then we're going to take a look at the goodie bag here. Lots of it, the bells and whistles bag. Okay, this is your ribbon. Now, the ribbon, this one's really pretty. It's a brown ribbon, and it has cupcakes on it that coordinate with the colors real pretty. So you get some of that. And then this is a real pretty pale pink. And you actually get, let's see, you get about 36 inches, a little over 36 inches. And that's a pale pink. And then this is like a cream color ribbon. And you get some of that. And then you get some green and white baker's twine. And it coordinates real pretty. Next you get some Nuvo crystal drops. These are called Limoncello. Limoncello. Real pretty. I actually have one of these in my stash, so I'm not going to open that one. But this color is so pretty. I'll just show you the color here. The nice thing about, oh, these are jewel drops actually. Excuse me, but these jewel drops dry clear, which are great for accenting a card. So you get some of those, and then you get some buttons. You get 5 wood buttons. These are great because you can color them in, or you can emboss them. Lots of fun ideas with these. And they're natural wood buttons. They're a little bit on the larger side. I just put them underneath the Nuvo bottle so you can see the size. But they're perfect for card making. Next, we get 3 little popsicle sticks. Those are going to be fun to play with. And then you get 6 brads. Now, the camera won't pick it up, but you actually, one of them is a solid copper, and then the other one has little speckles on it. And you get 3 of each. But those coordinate with the vellum sheets. Really pretty. So you get 6 of those. And then you get a sample bag of coordinating sequins. Really pretty. The sequins are in multiple sizes, which are nice. Now this was interesting. I thought this was going to be so fun to play with. When you take it out of the bag and uncrinkle it, it is so pretty. But it's like gold stuff. But it's going to be really fun to play with. So you get a bag of that with, plenty of it in there. And then this is some paper wrapped wire. So it's pliable and moldable. So you get some of that. Next you get some gems. Now these are itty bitty gems. These are really small. And I really like these. And there's tons and tons in here. And they're all the same size. But they're a coppery goldy color. They would go really good with the peel-offs or with the stickers. Then you get 4 craft stickers. And then these were so pretty. Okay, you get, these are acetate sentiments that have gold lettering. They're really beautiful. So you get a friends, and then you get for you. And the acetate is very thick, so perfect for cards. You get the love, and you get the big hugs, and then you get the fabulous. You get enjoy, and you get the hello, and then the last one here is thank you. So plenty of sentiments. So you get all of those. Now next, you get your dies. Now I'm not going to cut these out because these are pretty self-explanatory, but you get 3 nesting dies, and these are the same shape as your letter stickers. So it coordinates really nice. So that's everything that comes in the March kit. Like I said, I'll leave links below if you want to check it out. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys. I wish you a fantastic day, and we will see you again soon. Bye-bye.